that. Already Surnan Sharma has told many of the things, so I don't want to repeat that. The theme of this World Stroke Day is every minute counts. Every minute counts means what? ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಿಮಿಷವು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ every minute counts in our life. But most important is when a stroke occurs, every minute is important because you need to shift the patient immediately to the hospital. And which hospital is the question. You can't just enter any hospital you like. You have to come to a hospital which is known as stroke ready hospital. There are hospitals with all the facilities. You must come there. And what is the golden hour? The golden hour is 4.5 hours. That is why we went round today for 4.5 kilometers. You all walk for 4.5 kilometers. What was the reason? To make awareness that 4.5 hours is very, very important. In that, every minute counts. And here we have young people and old people. We have senior citizens, we have students, we have small children, we have children from the Vijaya High School, we have school band. Everybody has participated. It is a stroke is not, we are not celebrating, we are creating awareness. And what is important is stroke is preventable and stroke is treatable, provided you come in your time. That is why every minute counts. You come in time, we are here to help you. That is the message. We are acting fast. So one of the important themes today is act fast. So we have to act fast, we have to run around and then create and then make the person normal. I just now walking with one of my patients and he was Surnan Sharma's patient. He's just about 56 years old and he had a stroke in the first January 10th. And when he came here, he was in an altered sensorium, altered consciousness. His speech was slurred. He was not able to walk. He was brought in emergency and was admitted in a hospital. And immediately, the clot buster, that our medicine was given to him. And 3 days later, he was discharged. And today, I think he must be here. You can wave, sir. Yes, he is there. He is taking the photograph there. And please come forward. And he is just 56 years old. And today he walked with me. He walked all along and we counted 6 kilometers and January 10th he had a problem. So stroke, you all think that it is not possible, and that is what exactly we can do provided you come in time. So that is the reason, please carry the message that every minute counts and identify what is the sign of the stroke which is there on back of your t-shirt. Every t-shirt carries that. Please